What if the way you store food in your refrigerator is slowly poisoning your family? Right now, millions of people are creating dangerous toxins in their kitchen, increasing their risk of cancer and serious health problems. These aren't junk foods. These are natural, healthy foods that most people think they're protecting by keeping them cold. But the truth is that refrigerating these 7 common foods can destroy nutrients, create harmful compounds, and put your health at risk. Before we start, hit that like button if you've ever stored potatoes or bread in the fridge thinking you were doing the right thing. Subscribe for more life-saving health tips and share this with your family. Tell me in the comments which of these foods you keep in your refrigerator. I read every comment and want to help protect your health. Now let's uncover these dangerous storage mistakes. Food. Number 1. Raw potatoes. The cancer risk. The first deadly mistake millions make is storing raw potatoes in the refrigerator. When potatoes are exposed to cold temperatures, their starch rapidly converts into sugar. This creates a perfect storm for cancer-causing compounds. When you cook that refrigerated potato at high temperatures, those sugars react with amino acids to create acrylamide, a toxic compound the World Health Organization has linked to cancer. Studies connect acrylamide to ovarian, kidney, and esophageal cancer. That crispy, golden crust you love is loaded with these toxins. The frightening part is you can't taste or see acrylamide. Research shows refrigerated potatoes contain up to 10 times more acrylamide when cooked. Cold also creates perfect conditions for mold and bacteria growth, making potatoes spoil faster. Store potatoes in a cool, dry, well-ventilated place away from sunlight. Use a cloth bag or basket, never plastic. When cooking, keep temperatures below 350 degrees Fahrenheit and eat them with the skin on to help control blood sugar spikes. Food number 2. Tomatoes, destroying nature's cancer fighter. Refrigerating tomatoes stops their natural ripening process, which dramatically reduces lycopene concentration. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that can reduce prostate cancer risk by 35% and protect against heart disease and aging. When you refrigerate tomatoes, you're throwing away this natural medicine. Cold temperatures also destroy the tomato's texture and flavor compounds, creating those watery, tasteless tomatoes you've experienced. The refrigerator breaks down cell walls, causing tomatoes to lose firmness and release excess water. Store tomatoes at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. To speed ripening, place them in a paper bag with a banana or apple. These fruits release ethylene gas that triggers ripening and increases lycopene production. Use ripe tomatoes quickly for maximum nutrition and flavor. Food. Number 3. Bread, creating toxic conditions. Storing bread in the refrigerator makes it stale faster and can create conditions for harmful mold growth. Cold temperatures cause starch molecules to reorganize, making bread hard and dry within 24 hours. The humidity inside your refrigerator, combined with condensation, creates perfect breeding conditions for mold spores. Some molds produce mycotoxins, toxic compounds that can cause respiratory problems and may increase cancer risk. This is especially dangerous for whole grain breads without preservatives. For bread you'll eat within 3 days, store it in an airtight container at room temperature. For longer storage, freeze it. Frozen bread maintains its nutrition for up to 3 months and develops resistant starch when toasted, which feeds beneficial gut bacteria and helps regulate blood sugar. Food number 4. Avocados, stopping the superfruit. Refrigerating unripe avocados stops their biological processes. The cold deactivates enzymes responsible for converting starches to healthy fats, leaving avocados hard, bitter, and fibrous. Cold damaged avocados develop dark spots and may never reach their nutritional potential. You lose access to heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, antioxidants, folate, and potassium that make avocados so beneficial. Properly ripened avocados help your body absorb vitamins, improve cholesterol, and reduce inflammation. Store unripe avocados at room temperature. To speed ripening, place them in a paper bag with a banana. This takes 1 to 4 days depending on ripeness. Once ripe, avocados yield slightly to pressure but aren't mushy. You can refrigerate ripe avocados for up to 2 days, but eat them immediately for best nutrition. Food number 5. Bananas. Dangerous sugar spikes. Cold temperatures damage banana cell membranes, causing peels to turn black and altering sugar content. This creates imbalanced sugar profiles that cause more dramatic blood glucose spikes. The ripeness of bananas affects their glycemic index. Unripe bananas have resistant starch, but cold-damaged bananas can have higher concentrations of simple sugars that spike blood glucose and insulin levels. These spikes are dangerous for diabetics and can lead to increased hunger, cravings, and insulin resistance in healthy people. Cold-damaged bananas also lose potassium, vitamin B6, and antioxidants. Store bananas at room temperature away from sunlight. To slow ripening, separate them and wrap stems with plastic wrap. Eat bananas when yellow with minimal brown spots for the best balance of nutrition and sweetness. Food number 6. Garlic. From medicine to poison. Refrigerating garlic causes sprouting, which dramatically reduces allicin, the compound responsible for garlic's medicinal properties. Those green shoots mean you're losing anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting benefits. More dangerous is storing chopped garlic in oil at room temperature, which creates perfect conditions for Clostridium botulinum bacteria. This produces botulinum toxin, causing botulism, a potentially deadly illness that affects the nervous system and can cause paralysis. Contaminated garlic oil may look and taste normal, but can be fatal. Store whole garlic bulbs with skin intact in a cool, dry, ventilated area away from light. Never use plastic bags or airtight containers. For convenience, chop garlic and freeze it in small portions. Frozen garlic maintains flavor and safety while eliminating botulism risk. Never store garlic in oil at room temperature. Food number 7. Honey. Destroying liquid medicine. Refrigerating honey causes crystallization, making it thick and grainy. Many people think crystallized honey is spoiled and heat it to fix it. When honey is heated above 104 degrees Fahrenheit, it loses beneficial enzymes, antioxidants, and antimicrobial properties. Overheated honey can produce harmful compounds and becomes little more than expensive sugar. Raw honey contains over 180 beneficial compounds that fight infections and aid digestion. Store honey at room temperature in a sealed container away from sunlight. However, honey is still concentrated sugar that spikes blood glucose and insulin when consumed in excess. Use honey medicinally, 1 teaspoon for sore throats or quick energy, not as a daily sweetener replacement. Your body treats honey sugars the same as candy, promoting fat storage and insulin resistance. These 7 storage mistakes are harming millions of families daily. Raw potatoes create cancer-causing acrylamide. Tomatoes lose lycopene. Bread harbors dangerous molds. Avocados never reach nutritional potential. Bananas spike blood sugar dangerously. Garlic can cause deadly botulism. And heated honey loses all medicinal value. These simple storage changes can protect your health, save money, and provide better nutrition. Hit that like button if this opened your eyes to storage mistakes you've been making. Tell me in the comments which foods you've been storing wrong, and if you'd heard of acrylamide before this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more health discoveries that could save your life. Share this with family and friends. This information is too important to keep to yourself. Together, we can help people make better choices for their health.